What is metal air battery? Contest regarding it. Researchers from CSIR, CMERE Durgapur synthesized a cathode material which can be used as catalyst in metal air batteries function through the electrochemical reactions between an air electrode which is acting as cathode and a metal electrode acting as an anode. Common metals used for the anode, which include lithium, zinc, aluminium, iron and sodium, paired with porous carbon material and a catalyst at the cathode. Advantages regarding it: higher energy density. These batteries offer greater energy density compared to traditional lithium ion batteries. Its accessibility, utilizing metals that are readily available in India, enhances accessibility and dependency on local resources. Its cost effectiveness, local production minimizes the need for imports, thus reducing its cost. It is eco-friendly. Metal air batteries are recycled, posing fewer environmental hazards than their lithium ion counterparts. It is of lightweight. The use of lightweight metals like aluminium allows these batteries to provide high energy density, making them especially suitable for various applications. Its applications are large scale energy storage. It is ideal for stationary applications where large amount of energy storage are required. Its transportation can be used in electric vehicles due to their high energy efficiency and a lighter weight. In renewable energy systems, suitable for storing energy generated from renewable resources, aiding in managing supply and demand fluctuations. Which of the following is an advantage of metal air batteries? Option A, lower energy density compared to traditional lithium ion batteries. Option B, dependency on rare metal for production, recyclable in nature, heavy weight due to the use of dense metals. Give your answer in comment box.